Beard trimmer. The most important feature of this trimmer is its laser system that allows you to see the undesirable hairs that have to be removed to achieve greater symmetry of the line of the beard or mustache. Like the best shaving instrument, it's very sharp and has self-sharpening blades, but at the same time is totally safe. The device is two-sided. The widest side, 1.2 inches long, allows to even the hair of the cheeks, while the other side, 0.6 inches long, allows to trim the part around the mouth or under the nose. The price of the razor is $100.